Hello, my name is Shubhendu Das and I am your mathematics teacher at Mednagar. And today I am going to teach you one of the most important topics of class 9, that is factorization of polynomials. In today's class we will read about the basic of factorization, how we can factorize the polynomials. We will learn about this. For example, suppose px and qx are two polynomials and q of x is a factor of px. When we can say it is a factor? If q of x exactly divide p of x. That means if it is p of x is divisible by q of x, that means q of x is a factor of the polynomial px. For example, first example, that is x minus 2 is a factor of x squared minus 3x plus 2. That means this x squared minus 3x plus 2 is divisible by x minus 2. That means x squared minus 3x plus 2 is divisible by x minus 2. If it is possible, then we can say this is a factor. Now we will read about the factorization. What is a factorization? So a factorization is basically the thing is that express a given polynomial as the product of polynomials and the condition is each of degree that of the given polynomial should be less than the given polynomial, such that no such a factor has a factor of lower degree. That is called the factorization. It is very easy. That means if we write an example, x squared minus 16, that is the polynomial, and we have to factorize. And you have to factorize in such a way that the product of the polynomials in each degree it should be less than the polynomials given. That means the if we write, it will be x plus 4 into x minus 2. Now just look at the degrees. The degrees are always less than the given polynomials. So the given polynomials is the degrees x squared, that means power is 2. But the factor, look at the power of the factor, that will be less than this, that is 1. So that means always the degrees of the factor is less than the degree of the given polynomial. You have to remember this thing. It is very, very important. Now there is some formulas. We know that the formulas, so some expansion. The first formula, we read the basic formula, that is a plus b whole square. And what is the formula of this? That will be a square plus 2ab plus a square. That will be one of the most important formula. Now the second most important formula, that is a minus b whole square. What is the formula? That is a square minus twice of ab plus b square. You have to check this only plus and minus. So here plus changes into minus. Now the third, that is a plus b plus c whole square. That is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So we can write 2 common, ab plus bc plus ca. Now the fourth formula, that is also most important formulas, that is a plus b whole cube. That is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now the similar, if it is look at this formula, a minus b whole cube, the sign it will be only minus. So a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So these formulas are one of most important formulas for factorization. Now there are a few more formulas, that is a square minus b square. So it is a square minus b square, means it will be a plus b multiply a minus b. And the seventh formula, that is also most important, that is a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is a plus b multiply a square minus ab plus a square. Now the eighth formula, formula number 8, it will be a cube minus b cube. That is a minus b multiply a square plus ab plus b square. These formulas, three formulas, also one of the most important formulas. So these formulas you have to keep in mind. What is the first formula? A plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second formula, a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third formula, a plus b plus c whole square, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus bc plus ca. Now a plus b whole cube, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now fifth formula, a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Now sixth formula, a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. Now seventh formula, that is a cube plus b cube, it is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Look at the sign, here is minus ab. Now the eighth formula is a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so these formulas are the most important formulas that you have to keep in mind forever. Okay, now there are some examples how to factorize. So first it is given, so how to factorize, you have to factor these terms. So first example, it is 5 a square minus 20ab. Now you have to look at these two terms. In these two terms, you can see 5a square, that means 5a multiply a. 20ab means 5 into 4 into a into b. So if you look at this, you can say that 5a is common in every word. So 5a square we can write 5a into 5, sorry, 5a into a, minus 20 we can write 5 into 4 into a into b. Now if you closely look at this, you can say that 5a you can take common. If you take 5a common, only a is left in the first term, in the second term 4b is left. So that will be the factorization and that is the answer of this question. Okay, now come to the second one. Little bit, three terms will be the, let's check with two terms first. 36 aqb minus 60 a square bc. Now if you look, you can see that in these two, 36 also divisible by 12 and 60 is also divisible by 12. So you can take 12 common. Now here a cube b, that means a square is hidden there, and here is also a square, so take a square common. Now b is also there, so take b common. So here is left a, that is 3a minus 5c. So what is the answer? If you factorize it, you will get 12 a square b into 5 3a minus 5c. Now the third one, if you write the third one, where it will be 5a into b plus c minus 7b into b plus c. Now you can check that b plus c is common in these two terms. So first take common b plus c. If you take b plus c common, in first term it is 5a is left, in the second that is 7b is left. So the answer is b plus c into 5a minus 7b. Now fourth one, that is 6 into 2a plus 3b its whole square minus 8 into 2a plus 3b. So 2a plus 3b whole square, that means 2a plus 3b, we can write 2a plus 3b whole square as 2a plus 3b into 2a plus 3b. Now we can take 2 also common there, because 6 and 8 both are divisible by 2. So 2 into 2a plus 3b, first take common. If you take this common, so what is left in the first term? First term is left 3 into 2a plus 3b. Now in the second term, it is left only minus 4. That means it is 2 into 2a plus 3b into, that will be 6a plus 9b minus 4. That will be the final answer. I hope you understood all this. Now come to the next one. Factorize x into x minus y whole cube plus 3x square y into x minus y. Now if you look in these two terms, you can see one thing, that is x is common, so you can take x common, and x minus y you can take common. If you take this common, so what is left here? X minus y whole square plus in the second term it will be 3xy into, that is x minus y, you can only take common, so only 3xy is left. Now it is x into x minus y, so x into x minus y into, that is x square minus 2xy plus y squared plus 3xy. So here it will be x into x minus y into x squared plus xy plus y squared. That will be the final answer of this question. Now this is a single. Now if it is given that how to factorize by grouping. So factorize by grouping. That means here you have to factorize not in single terms, you have to factorize by grouping. So for example, here AB plus BC plus AX plus CX. Now four terms are there and you have to factorize not in single terms, you have to factorize by grouping. So first if you look at these two terms and these two terms, so in these two terms you can see that B is common. So if you take B common, so it will be A is there and C is there. So B common, that is B into A plus. Now the third term and fourth term, if you look, you can see that X is common in those two. So X common, so it will be X into A plus. Now if you look closely, you can see A plus C and A plus C is common in these two cases. So here A plus C take common. The first it will B is left and the second C is left. The answer it will be A plus C into B plus C. So here we did the factorization by grouping. Now example number 2, x squared plus 3x plus x plus 3. So here if you look in these first two terms, you can see that in this both two terms x is common. So if you take x common, so here x is left and 3 is left. And this to third and fourth term nothing is common. So we can write as usual x plus 3. Now you can see that x plus 3 is common here. So x plus 3 if you take common, so the first term here x is left and second term there is 1. So that is the answer of this. Now coming to some another example. So example number 3, if it is given that 6ab minus b square plus 12ac minus 2b, you have to make first group. So here in the first two term you can say that b is common. So b if you take common, there will be 6a minus b. Now the third term and fourth term you can see that 2 is common. So 2 is common and c is common. So it will be 6a is left there because it is 12. So 2 6 are 12. So 6a and here it will be minus b. Now if you look that 6a minus b is common. So 6a minus b common. So there will be b plus 2c. 6a minus b into b plus 2c will be the answer of this one. Now coming to another example, that is example number 4. In the example number 4 it is given that a squared plus b minus ab minus a. So how we can solve this? It is also very easy. So first make the group. If you look there is no common. So first you have to make group with this. You have to make group this two and this two. Let's see what happens. So a square minus ab plus b minus a. So from the first two term you can take a common. So here is a minus b. Now it is b minus a in this form. So if you have to make them equal, so if you take minus 1 common, so it will be also a minus b. So now we can check that both are a minus b. So a minus b take common, so it will be to a minus 1. That will be the final answer of this question. Now another example, if it is example number 5 here, x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 minus 2x minus 2 by x. Don't get confused, it is very easy. So here you have to group it. Here these three you need to make it group. So x square plus 1 by x square plus 2, and then minus take common, so it will be 2x plus 2 by x. Okay, now what is x square plus 1 by x square plus 2? It is very easy. That is a square plus 2ab plus b square in this form. Why? Because we can write this, if it is a, so it is a square. If it is b, so it is b square. That means 1 by x whole square plus 2ab. 2ab means 2 into a is x, b is 1 by x. Now we can check the same thing here, x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. Now here minus 2 common, so it will be x plus 1 by x. Now it is, we know that a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square is equals a plus b whole square. So here we will put the same thing here. A is x, b is 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into x plus 1 by x. Now x plus 1 by x whole square means it is x plus 1 by x into x plus 1 by x. So now take common x plus 1 by x. So if you take common this, so it will be x plus 1 by x left there at minus 2. That will be the final answer of this question. Now we will do with more terms. So for example number 6, in the example number 6, it is 1 plus x plus y minus z plus xy minus yz minus zx minus xyz. If it is given, how we can do? It is very easy. First make the group 1 plus x in the group. Okay, so 1 plus x in the group, then y and xy within the group. So y plus xy the group. Okay, minus z minus yz minus zx minus xyz. Okay, we have to make them group. Let's check what happened. So here 1 plus x plus, in this group you can see that y is common, so it will be 1 plus x. Now here in this two term take minus z common, so it will be 1 plus, we making these two group. Okay, so 1 plus x. Now make these two together, so minus yz common, so it will be 1 plus x. So now in all the terms we can find one term is common, that is 1 plus x. Take 1 plus x common. So here left is 1, that is y minus z minus yz. Now we have to make another group. So 1 plus y we can write as 1 plus y, but this take minus z common, so it will be also 1 plus y in these two terms. Now we can say 1 plus x is there, and here 1 plus y is common. So if you take 1 plus y common, it will be 1 minus. So the answer is 1 plus x into 1 plus y into 1 minus z. That will be the final answer of this question. So today we learned how we can factorize the basic. What is the factorization? To express a given polynomial as a product of polynomials where each degree is less than the given polynomial. Not, it will be not higher degrees of the factors. Then we learn about these formulas: a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b plus c whole square, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, a square minus b square, a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b. These formulas are the most important formulas. Then we learn how to factorize, the basic factorization. Then we learn how to factorize with grouping. You have to first make the group and then you have to factorize. So we have completed this. I hope you enjoyed the session and all the doubts are clear, and we'll continue this topic in the next class as well. Thank you for